Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to plant tomato seeds and see from seed to the flower stage of the plant. So let's go. We will take around 4 to 5 seeds and also grow the seedling. Tomatoes are not grown in direct sow method because it is very difficult to grow from seed directly in the garden. So we are taking a grow bag like this, and I have made it DIY with the help of a spare plastic bag in my home. And I have made the mixture with 50% of garden soil, 25% compost, and 25% of coco peat. So we will plant the seeds in this, and I am adding more coco peat for soil aeration. It is very important that the seedling tray has good aeration for the seed to grow quality roots in the seedling pot. If it is not aerated and the soil is very compact, the seeds might sprout and the seedling may emerge, but the baby plant will be very weak. I have taken 5 tomato seeds, and let's take one by one seed and sow them in the grow bag at the distance of about 5 centimeter. I am sowing 4 seeds on the corner and 1 in the center. And now we will cover the seed up to 1 centimeter of height, and I am using coco peat to cover the seeds. You can also use soil to cover them as well. After covering the seeds with soil, we have to water the seeds. I'm using a plastic bottle with the holes in it to sprinkle water on the top of the seeds. Make sure not to disturb the coco peat or the soil covering. This is another tomato grow bag in which I planted the seeds about 20 days ago, and now you can see yourself that the cotyledons of the seed have emerged, and in the center of the sapling, two true leaves of the tomato plant are growing to emerge. In this grow bag, the true leaf of the tomato plant are slightly more larger in size, and it can be now planted in the garden bed for larger growth of the plant. So let's go and plant it in the soil. We have to prepare the garden bed by digging the soil, mixing compost in it, and aerating the soil before planting the sapling in the soil. Now we have to water the sapling. Right now I am sprinkling water in it, and later after 1 week I'll start the drip irrigation which I have set up near the sapling. This is 1 month old tomato plant which I had planted about 15 days ago in the soil, and these are the plants which I planted about 1.5 months ago. So look at the size of the plants, they are now larger in size, and this is the plant about 2 months ago which I planted in my polytunnel, and flowers have started coming on these plants, and it's quite large in size right now, and health of the plant is also very good. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do like and subscribe.